Here we have it, the YOTOPT action camera, as you see right here. Touch screen. There you go. We'll look at it now. You get all these accessories, different mounts for different scenarios. You can put this on the bike handlebar, different clips, fail-safe cord. You get the manual right here. It's a 4K camera, 2-pack, 2-inch touchscreen, Wi-Fi remote, 2.4 GHz remote, shark eye, wide lens, waterproof up to 30 meters, long battery life. You also have, well, the remote is here. You get 2 of the batteries here, which are 1050 milliamps. Different mounts, straps over here, the charging and the charging cable. This is where you charge one battery at a time. Straps. Let's go ahead and look at the camera real quick. So here we have the camera. Let's go ahead and open it. I already took the lens out. Pretty nice shark eye lens. Modes. It says touch cam, YOTOPT. Got a speaker here. Up, down. The SD card here. That one is micro USB, and this one over here is the micro HDMI mic right there. Pretty nice. And the OK button and LED light. Go ahead and insert a battery. Let's see. There's one charged. So let's see if they're charged over here. Turn it on. Go ahead and there we go. It's touchscreen, so if you touch, as you see the 4K. You could go resolution, change the resolution here. You could do 4K 25 frames per second. We're gonna start with that one. Sound recording, time-lapse video, loop recording, slow motion, 120 frames per second, which is the most you could do, 1080, also 60, white balance auto, contrast 0, exposure, I like to do +1 on exposure because of backgrounds are lighter. 16 megapixels photo resolution, time lapse off, continuous lapse, burst photos off. Let's go to language, English, date and time, close. Upside down if you want to record upside down. If you want to enter to driving mode, Wi-Fi, frequency, format card, always format your card from the camera. Reset and firmware version. It's better to format from the camera because sometimes and most of the time the camera will input a plugin on the card to communicate from the camera to the card. That way it'll record 4K smoothly. You could do video here. If you want to go to video, this is like the window, time lapse, slow motion, photo lapse, burst photo. So it's like start. This is like start. Go back, you could play, and you got the battery information there, Wi-Fi. I'm gonna go ahead and get a card and get some footage. Alright, so from the accessories provided, just mount it. You need this one too, because otherwise the first one is gonna make us like sideways looking that way, but you need the one that turns that way. The camera will be turned looking forward. press the helpful button under this review, that way I know someone watched the video. Can you help my channel by subscribing? I would gladly appreciate it. Thank you for watching.